Hey baby girls, in today's video, Elleebana have sent me out some new lash lift products to try out and I'm really looking forward to using them. So they've sent me this Elleebana Stronghold Lash Lift Adhesive and I've actually never used Elleebana Lash Glue before, so I'm really excited to use this. I've also got these flex rods which are supposed to stick to your eyelids without any glue. So this is going to be really interesting to see how these work because I can't imagine they stick to the eyelids without any glue. They've also sent me these Eleplex Pro Fusion packets and they're step 1 and step 2 of the lift process, and these are an updated version of the original step 1s and step 2s, and also you can use these on your brow, so you can do brow lamination with this also, so I like that idea. So this is the Eleplex Re Gen Next Gen formula. And what this does is it repairs your lashes and puts lots more moisture and conditions the lashes and makes them more healthier. And you can actually use this in 3 separate ways, so I'll talk about that later on in the video. And Elleebana's cool little wire combs. And last but not least, the Eleplex Advanced Aftercare formula. And you use this after your lash lift to nourish the lashes and make them look super nice and healthy. So I've got my beautiful model Bella in today and we're going to be doing a lash lift on these beautiful eyes. So first of all, I'm going to cleanse all the area with some micellar water. After I've cleansed with the micellar water, I'm then going to go on to do a double cleanse, and I'm going to use this cleansing foam, and all I do is squirt a little bit on a cotton pad, and then using a cotton bud, I just gently wipe over the lashes just to make sure there's absolutely no oils on Bella's lashes. Once the area is dry, I then go in with some pads and I stick the bottom lashes down so they're out of the way. And now it's time for the flex rods. So like I said earlier, these don't require any glue, they just self-stick to the eyelids. And to my surprise, they actually did, and really securely. Let's see if they last for the whole treatment. Now it's time for the glue. So I applied a little blob on the back of my hand and then I used my applicator to apply the glue to the rod. I really liked that you apply it like this as opposed to having like a brush in the glue bottle. I felt like this was more hygienic, and yeah, I'll definitely be using this all the time. It was really strong as well. So I started using a Y comb and I really was struggling with it, and it's nothing to do with the Y comb because I actually use these all the time when I'm doing a lash lift, but I'm used to using shields on the eyelids and not rods, and I just found it was really tricky to get that Y comb over the rod, so I had to go back and use my toothpick. And then when I started using this, it obviously, you can see the lashes started to sit on the rod beautifully. So I've been tugging on the lashes and obviously messing about with the Y comb and the toothpick, and the rods have actually stayed in place the whole time. I do feel like I have to hold my finger on the inner corner just to stop it from pinging up a little bit, but sometimes I have to do that anyway with rods. So yeah, it stayed in place the whole time. I'm super happy with that. The glue has worked amazing. I mean, I felt like I haven't had to use nowhere near as much glue as I usually have to use, and it has definitely, I think it is definitely stronger, yeah. So I'm super happy with that one as well. Yeah, they're sitting really nicely into place. I'm excited to see the results. So both lashes are sat lovely on the rods. So now it's ready for the Eleplex Pro Fusion Step 1. So this product is recommended to apply it about 3/4 up the lashes, but I think I did mine maybe just under that. And also you can leave this product on for longer because we are going to use the Eleplex Re Gen Next Gen formula later. It means that you can actually apply your lash lift solution for longer without over processing. So normally I leave Bella's lash lift on step 1 for maybe about 6 to 8 minutes, and this time I left it on for 10 minutes. So now my time's up, I'm going to remove all the product using a damp cotton bud. Okay, so now it's time for step 2 of the Pro Fusion sachet. So I empty the full sachet into my dapping dish, and then it's now time to mix the Eleplex Re Gen Next Gen formula. So it's recommended to use the full sachet of the Eleplex to 1 little dot of the Re Gen product. And basically what this does is it makes the lashes a lot healthier. So it restores and repairs the lashes. So it allows you to keep the lash lift product on for longer, which is going to give you a better result. And it's also going to make the lashes look healthier and stronger and just an all over better lash lift result. And it reminds me of like an Eleplex, but for your lashes. Like it's a similar technology, I think, to like the Eleplex for your hair. So you can also use this product 3 separate ways. So I used it mixing it with step 2. You can also use this mixing it with your tin at the end, but it's recommended you should use the Elleebana tin, which I don't have. And also you can just use it on its own. So after you've done step 1 and step 2, you can apply it as like a nourishing treatment, and you leave it on for 5 minutes and then put the tint on after. So depending on which way you would like to do it, yeah, you've got 3 separate choices really. So back to the treatment, taking these rods off without glue on the eyelids was so nice. It must have felt so nice for the client, and I enjoyed taking it off this way. So we're almost there. We just need to mix the tint for the lashes, and I'm using a blue black to make them nice and dark and give her a bit of depth. So I know some people like to tint while the lashes are on the rods. I personally don't. I like to take them off and then tint them separately, just because you can get right to the root of the lashes and it makes the lash tint come out a lot nicer. A lot of people ask me why I wash it off with water. So it's actually recommended by Elleebana to wash them off and cleanse them after the treatment using water. So this isn't going to affect your lash lift in any way. Just allow the lashes to dry for 5 minutes before showing your client. I'm really happy with how this lash lift has turned out. So her lashes actually look so much more nourished than usually when I do a lash lift. So it's definitely worked a lot better in my opinion. I've not quite finished. I'm just going to use the Eliplex Advanced Aftercare formula just to condition the lashes. And also you can retail this product as well, so they can actually use this product at home every day on the lashes as well. Overall, I really enjoyed all these products. They worked absolutely amazingly. The flex rods were unbelievably good, but personally I prefer a shield, but that didn't take away how good the rods are and stuck. That's just my personal preference. I loved everything. Yeah, I'd 100% use them again. Thank you so much, Elleebana, for gifting me these products. I'm really looking forward to doing a brow lamination using the Pro Fusion sachets. And thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.